We'll guide you through how to change default install location Windows 11. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search this because many laptops and PCs come with a small C drive that fills up fast. Big games and apps can eat space, and Windows installs everything on C by default. First, start your device and wait for it to load completely before beginning the process. After the system has loaded for a couple of seconds, go to the taskbar located at the bottom of the screen. From the taskbar, find the Windows button and select it to continue. After that, right-click the Windows button to open a menu with several system options available. Inside the menu that appears, go and select the Settings option to open the Windows Settings menu on your device. Once the Settings menu appears on the screen, look for the Storage option located below the available categories. Left-click the Storage option to open it and access the Storage Settings page. The Storage section will open and show many different options related to storage management and file saving locations. Inside the Storage page, go to the Advanced Storage Settings section to continue the process. Left-click Advanced Storage Settings to expand the available options shown under that category. After the menu expands, look carefully for the option called Where New Content is Saved. Once you find the option, left-click it to open the page where you can change the default install and saving locations for different types of content. On this page, you can select which type of content you want to change the default install location for. For example, if you want to change the default install location for apps, go to the Apps section on the page. After that, click the Drive Selection option to expand the available drive choices on your computer. Once the list appears, select which drive you want to use as the new default install location. For example, if you want to move the install location to Drive D, select Drive D from the list of available drives shown in the menu. After selecting the drive you want to use, press the Apply button located beside the drive option to save and apply the new location setting. Following these steps carefully will help you change the default install location in Windows 11 without confusion.